Okay, everybody, let's try to create this presentation, this slide. I think we can create it less than a minute. Let's try. At first, we add a blank space. We need to add this text. How we can add them? It's really easily. How to add the text? We just need to create each text as a one file. How we can do that? It's really easy. We just need to write our text here. For example, our text here is Italy, and then make it bigger in size until something like this. Okay, now we just need to cut, paste it, we have a problem. How we can separate them each? It's really easy. We just create 5 copies of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In front we paste EI, T, R, L, and Y. Now we just simply delete that thing and put everything here. We need to put I first, Italy, T the second, A, L and Y, L and Y, Y. Now we need to group them. Why group them? I tell you. And after grouping them, we need to align them in the middle and in the center. But we can't put them in the center. Because of that, do this by hand and then ungroup them. But before ungrouping them, we copy the picture that we have here. If it gave me access, okay, I find how to copy that. We copy that and put it in the back. Now we select all the text we have and change the font to something more casual, like, no, we go by the font we have. Okay, it's good font. And just now we need to bold the text and change the text color each by each. We need to ungroup them first, and then we need to change the color of each shape. For example, we go with blue. At first we select all of them to get them some shadow and bold them. We go for eye with blue. Where is blue? Here is blue with this T. Okay, the selecting these files is a little pain, not a little, more than a little, but I think we can do it. Okay, it's I. Whenever we do a text, we send it to back. We can solve the problem here easily. We send the page to back, I think. Okay, send to back. Oh, for T, we go with this blue. Where is the blue? And send it to back. For A, we go with this blue 3 and send it to back. For L, we go with another blue and send it to back. For Y, we go with another blue and send it to back. Now we just simply copy this page and send the picture to back to one of the page, and then we reduce it in size in another slide we reduce it a little, and then we zoom so we can reduce it to the size we need. It's a good size now. And after doing that, we send this to back. Now set the transition to morph. But before doing that, we are going to make them all in the middle. How? We go here and align them center. Let me just select this. Go to shape and align them center. Okay, it's good. Now we have our great transition. You can see it's a lot beautiful than you can ever have. Okay, this is the end. Don't forget to ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will answer within 1 day, and please like and subscribe. Have a nice time. Until then, bye.